everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making healthy peanut butter fudge. Alright, let's get in there and start making our peanut butter fudge. So we have here 2 cups of shredded coconut. I'm going to blend this for 4 minutes to make it into a creamy coconut butter. Okay, so now the coconut shred is done. I will add 1 cup of peanut butter. Oh wow, yum. And half a cup of melted coconut oil. And blend it until mixed. Okay, so now that's done. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And we'll blend that together. Alright, this is finished now, so I'm just going to pour it into the tray. Okay, so I'll pour this into a loaf pan. Look at that gooey peanut butter. I'm in heaven. Yum! Okay, so I'm going to put this in the freezer for 15 minutes to set. Here is our healthy peanut butter fudge straight out of the freezer, all cut up and put on display. This will last up to 10 days in the fridge, but I doubt they'll last that long. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. We'll see you next week. Oh. Hey everyone, welcome back to our show. No. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wait. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. That's what it is. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Hi, I'm Patty. No, that's not. No. Oh. Okay. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making healthy peanut butter fudge. Is that okay? Okay. We hope you liked this episode. Fudge. Fudge.
That's bad.
Fudge.